Good evening, guys. This is your teacher Eduardo, and today we're going to talk about assessment strategies for learning in e-learning models. In the last years, educational politics around the world have developed different purposes to implement many digital tools. The e-learning highlights as its biggest advantage the students' active learning opportunities. On the other hand, the e-learning is able to gain greater control over their learning. E-learning challenges students to develop different methods of learning and interaction, which can help them to better their goals and motivation. It's been found that the grade of maturity of the student can generate technological as well as social difficulties due to the lack of experience with these. For example, kids may present anxiety feelings when they can't resolve technical computer problems by themselves, on top of the isolating feelings. For the learning through e-learning, affective, cognitive, and behavioral variables are required. On the other hand, students need online learning, reflection skills, planning skills, studying skills, searching skills, as well as self-evaluating skills. All the variables described have permitted developing methods for helping students acquire new learning strategies. These also include evaluation models. Digital technologies include the e-learning involves digital technologies, for example, personal digital assistants, as the CD-ROOMs, tablets or cell phones, computers, and smart TVs. The distinct characteristics of e-learning are four dimensions, which are nature of e-learning tasks, online social support, available online resources, and online learning systems. The characteristics of online learning are three domains, which are skill, will, and auto-regulation. Characteristics of e-learning environments. The online learning environments are www, email, asynchronous, and synchronous discussion. Their characteristics are flexible time and space, indirect social interaction, abundant information resources, and dynamic learning interfaces. OLSS instruments to evaluate. Investigations on the e-learning topic have developed the online strategies scale as an instrument to evaluate students' online learning strategies. OLSS is composed of 20 items, categorized on 5 subscales as motivation, self-monitoring, internet literacy, internet anxiety, and concentration. OLS instruments to evaluate the online learning strategies scale can be used to examine students' online learning strategies. OLSS is a diagnostic instrument for understanding the advantages and disadvantages of online learning for students. OLSS scores can provide feedbacks for e-learning system designers, curriculum developers, and instructors before or after they design or develop systems or curriculums. These scores can even serve as feedback that can help online students to obtain greater self-awareness of their own online learning. Questions. What are the four dimensions of e-learning? What are the three domains of e-learning strategies? What are the 4 characteristics of an online learning environment? What's the name given to the instrument to evaluate students' online learning strategies? How many and which are the subscales of the instrument to evaluate students' online learning strategies? Alright guys, this is about it. Thank you and have a great night.